Hi, today I will show you how to save layouts and manage layouts. Let's say you want to show the more description and discount on your screen. Basically, you don't need save the layout. This is because system will auto remember your setting. But if you have multiple log-on username wish to use the same layout, you have to do this way. Just right click on your header, go to grid layouts. Select the Save Layout, enter your layout name. After that, press Save. Let me show you how to assign the layouts to others log-on user. Right-click at the header again, go to Grid Layouts, select Manage Layouts. You can assign versus the group or by user. Let me show you the example how to assign versus the user. Just have to select the username and set it as a default. After done, press Save will do. Thank you.